cannot see your way, not even a light at the end of the tunnel. Don't speak negative words and curse your life. Don't allow yourself to be cast down. Just change the way you speak, for your words are seeds. Your words are seeds. Choose to plant positive words. Choose to speak life over your destiny. Choose power over your life. Choose to guard your words, for your words have power over you. Your words are seeds. The tongue of the just is like silver, used in wisdom, it brings health. A wholesome tongue is a tree of life. Guard it and keep it well. It will keep your soul from trouble. Your words are seeds. Choose to plant positive words. Choose to speak life over your destiny. Choose power over your life. Choose to guard your words, for your words have power over you. Your words are seeds. Oh, your words and your life are connected. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. The tongue can bring health and riches. It has power over your future. It has power over your life. I speak hope in the storm. I speak faith through the pain, and declare health over you. You will never be the same. You will never be the same. Your words are seeds. Choose to plant positive words. Choose to speak life over your destiny. Choose power over your life. Choose to guard your words, for your words have power over you. Yes, your words have power over you. Your words are seeds. Your words are seeds. I speak hope in the storm. I speak faith through the pain, and declare health over you. You will never be the same. You will never be the same. Your words are seeds. Choose to plant positive words. Choose to speak life over your destiny. Choose power over your life. Choose to guard your words, for your words have power over you. Yes, your words have power over you.